keeping your pool sparkling clean doesn't have to be a chore. Robotic pool cleaners are smart, efficient, and fully automated devices that scrub, vacuum, and filter your pool with minimal effort. From removing debris and leaves to tackling algae, these high-tech cleaners save time and keep your pool ready for a perfect swim all season long. Starting at number 1. Dolphin Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is a smart, easy-to-use robotic pool cleaner designed for in-ground pools up to 40-50 feet long. It scrubs, vacuums, and filters your pool's floor and walls automatically, tackling dirt and debris with powerful dual brushes and clever clean navigation. Just plug it in, drop it in the water, and let it run. It even connects to your phone via Wi-Fi and the My Dolphin Plus app so you can schedule and monitor cleaning from anywhere. Its top access filter is simple to clean, and its energy-efficient design keeps operating costs low while keeping your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. Number 2. AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. The AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum is a portable, battery-powered pool cleaner designed for above-ground and flat-bottom pools up to 40 feet long. With its cordless design, it eliminates tangled cables, offering hassle-free operation. Simply place it in the water and let it clean. Equipped with dual-drive motors, it efficiently scrubs and vacuums dirt, leaves, sand, and other debris, keeping your pool sparkling clean. The vacuum also features self-parking technology, returning to the pool wall when the cycle ends or battery is low for easy retrieval. Its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to move and store, while the top access filter can be quickly rinsed for maintenance. Ideal for pool owners seeking a convenient, time-saving, and energy-efficient cleaning solution, the AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum ensures consistent performance and thorough cleaning without manual effort. Number 3. Beatbot Solar-Powered Robotic Skimmer. The Beatbot iSkim Ultra solar-powered robotic pool skimmer is an advanced surface cleaning robot that keeps your pool water clear and debris-free with 24/7 autonomous operation. It uses a powerful 24W solar panel and a 10,000 mAh battery to run day and night without frequent recharging, and features S-path optimization and 20 high-precision sensors for efficient, thorough cleaning. With dual-side brushes and a large 9L filter basket, it captures leaves, pollen, and other floating debris while its natural water clarification system helps improve clarity. You can control and schedule cleaning, monitor status, and park the device easily via the smartphone app with Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connectivity, and enjoy smart features like voice updates, edge and corner skimming, and automatic obstacle handling, making this skimmer a convenient, high-tech solution for cleaner pool water year-round. Number 4. WYBOT S2 Solar Robotic Pool Cleaner. The 2026 upgrade, WYBOT S2 Solar Robotic Pool Cleaner is an eco-smart, automated pool cleaning solution designed for in-ground pools up to about 3,229 square feet. It features dual charging modes, a solar-powered dock for eco-friendly, continuous power, and a DC backup for cloudier days, so it can run longer with less manual charging. With auto-return charging, the cleaner automatically heads back to its dock when the battery gets low, keeping cleaning hands-free. You can set enhanced scheduled cleaning and targeted area cleaning through the companion mobile app, giving precise control over when and where it cleans. Its 3D adsorption system with dual-layer filtration and a brushless motor captures both large debris and fine particles from pool floors, walls, and water lines, while multiple cleaning modes and customizable paths help ensure thorough coverage. App support makes scheduling, mode selection, and operation easy from your smartphone, making this a high-tech and convenient choice for busy pool owners. Number 5. INTEX Deluxe Pool Cleaner Vacuum. The INTEX Deluxe Pressure-Side Above-Ground Automatic Pool Cleaner Vacuum ZX300 is a powerful, water-powered cleaning solution designed for larger above-ground pools. It attaches directly to your pool's inlet fitting and uses the return water pressure to generate 700 gallons per hour suction, driving the unit around the pool floor and up the walls with its water-powered all-wheel drive. Dual rotating scrubbers tackle fine and stubborn dirt up to the waterline, while the fine mesh debris tray and removable filter capture leaves, sand, and other particles for easy disposal.
The included 21 feet tangle-free hose and compatibility with most above-ground pool pumps, 1,600 to 3,500 GPH, makes setup simple and maintenance low effort. Designed to climb walls and clean efficiently without electricity, this pressure side cleaner helps keep your pool clear and inviting all season long.